know that you're probably going to see this video after Christmas because... Got it? Alright, so you guys will probably see this video after Christmas for the simple fact we have not grown, but we have teenage kids and a little one that watches all of our YouTube videos, and we don't want to show them anything. Alright, so we're just going to show you guys what we're pulling out. Can you grab that drink? Just throw it on top of there. Alright, so the first item we're pulling out is going to be this rocker. And this is an audio floor rocker. So we actually got, did we get 2 or 3? There's the other one right there.
We got 2.
Alright, so we got 2. So the kids can play games. Or they can sit in this rocker chair. So I think these are the controls. It folds for storage. And it has these LED lights. We also got a set of headphones.
Did we say we're getting this one or the other one?
We'll figure it out.
Well, we gotta figure it out. We gotta take it with us.
I don't know. Who's that for?
Angelonthegoclearanceshopper.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just throw it up there.
Or Manny too?
I don't know. Okay, so we got this personal little refrigerator. Alright, here's a view of the pool table. And then we have this. Alright. Look at our spoiled kids. Look at this. Let me try to turn it to the side. So you got the 60-inch pool table. Again, it comes with all this. And woo! Alright, and then we have the air hockey. We're gonna be pulling out stuff for days. Alright.
I still don't know who this is for.
We'll figure it out. It's probably for you. Alright, so we got the huge Batman. His head is huge. Let me go around here. Look at that. This thing is huge. His head is super big, super heavy. We got the Star Wars thing. This is mine, you guys. This is for me. Look at this. We got these Marshalls. Huge spot. This thing is bigger than you. Look at that. You're gonna make me trip. Alright, so we got these 2. Look at that. That look like a real body's inside. That's crazy. This thing is huge.
If we cut the back out, you can go in it.
I'm not going in that thing. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, so basically we got to go through here. We got a bunch of toys and the very back. So I don't know how we're gonna get back there. We gotta move all those trees. This is gonna be a mess, you guys. We'll be right back. Alright, we're still pulling stuff, but let me show you what we got so far. This is the first cart to go down. These are all the Christmas gifts. Here's some more stuff. Again, it's early. We're gonna grab this. Kids are still asleep. We're gonna sneak this into the garage and then get to wrapping. These are basically almost everything we bought during the year on clearance. All right, we're still here. I'm out of breath. We're still digging for stuff. It's probably gonna take me a few days to wrap all this stuff. And we're gonna have a great Christmas. Look at that. We got the refrigerator down here, the Razor scooters. We got this rug. I can't remember how much we paid, but it was like maybe $3. It comes with the car, but it's a big rug that he could put on his floor, and it looks like this. That's huge, you guys. I'm gonna have fun wrapping this one.
That'd be dope if you can attach them. I mean,
I don't know if you can. Can you put that up so I can see this one? So this one is a Colossal Crash. That's a huge box. This one right here is vertical launch kit.
This is cool because this goes on the wall.
Right.
Shoots up the wall, comes down into this track.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Now you guys know we didn't pay this $30 price.
Heck no.
No. This was in a video we did. I can't remember how much it was.
Me either.
If you guys can remember, comment below. All right, look at this, you guys. This is, let me move this cord. Toilet paper blaster. Look at that. Blast up to 50 feet. That's pretty far.
This is going to be the best toy of the
Yes,
year right here.
our kids.
Outside of the 5.
They're going to love this. Oh, it has rapid fire spitballs, splatter, easy cleanup. So that's exactly what I need.
This was a biggie right here.
Yeah, I think that was on sale. We paid $13 for this huge Little Tights. This is the basketball Play Big. A Just Jam Pro basketball set. Look at this. I found this one. This one was $13.
This is why you have to follow the channel, because this is what Christmas looks like, and just you're spending less than Black Friday prices.
Correct. $13, you guys. So that's going underneath the Christmas tree too. Merry Christmas to all of our subscribers, all of our followers. Right now, everybody is asleep, but I wanted to film everything before everyone woke up. So I'm gonna be really quiet. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Let's see what Santa Claus left the kids. Let's see. We gotta be really quiet. My son put the hat on Santa Claus. So that's Daddy's hat. Oh, Santa got a big gift. Santa Claus left these. Everyone is still asleep. They're gonna be so surprised. Here's our Christmas tree. Look at this. Look at this huge Spider-Man. All right, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this pool table from Santa Claus. Look how cute that is. And here's the, I think this is air hockey. And look at all these presents. So we have about 6 or 7 trees full of presents. All clearance items. 90% from Walmart. Let's see what Manny's doing. Merry Christmas. Santa came. Santa Claus came. You ready to get up? And the first game thing from Santa Claus.
With the court,
I got 1 point, so I gotta put it in.
Okay, look, Alexia got 1 point right here. I'm about to beat Daddy at this pool table game. All right, now it's time to open some gifts. What is it? What is it?
Both of them.
What is it?
Star Wars. Yeah. I knew it was Star Wars except for the Force.
Help open it, Daddy. Help open. What is it? What is it? Are you sure that's for you and not Mommy?
Duh. No, they open. I see the eggs.
That's to you?
Yep.
All right. All right, he got Mickey Mouse wrapping paper. Let's see what's inside. What is it? Oh, whoa. Angelique, what do you think this is? Open it very carefully.
A poster.
Very carefully.
You don't open that thing.
Yes. Yes. Open it very slowly. Ooh. Oh, what is it? She don't have no words?
It's a Demon Slayer poster.
Yeah. Don't worry about that, Angelique. It wasn't easy.
Yeah,
It wasn't easy, Angelique.
character holding someone.
Wait a minute. Turn it around so we can see. We got to get this on film, Angelique.
God, no.
Angelique,
Wait,
turn it around so we can see.
here.
Look at this, you guys. The Demon Slayer cast signed it for Angelique.
I don't know how you did that.
It wasn't easy. Open the blue, open the blue.
Flip too?
I think Angelique's over in her little own world with her stuff. Bobo, what is it?
I need new headphones.
I don't know. A Disney thing?
A Disney thing?
What?
Use both hands. Come on, open it. What is it?
Oh, wait, what is this?
VR.
A VR. A VR.
Oh!
Wait, you just hit my leg.